To get started, you want to take your short cords and add your bead to both the cords and then pull it until it's in the centre. And once you've got it in the centre, you can take one side and just do a temporary knot to keep it in place. Next, you want to clip your bottom cords to the bottom of the board, and then you want to take your two longest cords, you want to match the ends and then run them through your fingers to find the centre. And then keeping the loops, you want to put these in opposite directions over the cord to create a sliding knot, but this time you want to do the sliding knot over the top of the bead. So you want to put one of your loops underneath, like that. You want to take your other loop, put it up underneath that one, over the top of the bead and the holding cords, and then pull the other cords through. And then just carefully pull this in place so it captures the bead. And then just pull this in place next to the knot. And then next you want to take the top cord at each side and put that out of the way. And then you want to do square knots down the first half of your bracelet. So once you've done as many knots as you want for this side, you want to turn it round and do the other half. And then you want to clip your cords to the bottom of the board again, and again do your square knots, and do the same amount of square knots as you did for this side. So once you've done as many knots as you want at this side, you can unclip from the bottom of the board, and then you can do your braided tie on, or you can do whichever fastening you prefer, but I'm just going to do a braided tie on for this one. And once you've got the braid as long as you want it, you can tie a knot in all your cords to keep them in place. And then you can trim and seal any excess. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal here, but you could use glue if you prefer. And you want to do the same thing at the other side. And once you're finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed half and half bead bracelet.